Hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. Let me say thank you to my old subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and we are going to jump right into this video. 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so today we are going to be talking about Liv's life. Now, Liv, I just did a couple videos about you, Liv, and you were doing okay. You were calm, you were collect, you were staying completely out of drama way. I mean, I was speaking so highly of you, Liv, and you go and you do this. First things first. Now, Liv, I'm gonna be real honest with you. You talking about your husband's mother, that is potential to get you slapped. I mean, I don't know, you get what I'm saying? Because I think that Gerard, I think that he's kind of timid. But one thing that I am going to say to you, if you guys are moving to Texas, it seems like you have done a lot of mouthing off, a lot of disrespect. Just beware that you don't know, but who may actually come for you. Because I'm going to tell you like this. If my husband was speaking bad on my mother, I would put him in his place so fast, it wouldn't even be funny. But better yet, he already knows or knew when my mother was alive that it was a certain type of way she carried herself and that you would never ever speak to her. Okay? Liv, I don't know if you know this. Normally when you speak of someone's mom, whether they are living or whether they are deceased, that right there is a fight waiting to happen. Now, to me personally, I feel that Gerard is very, very timid. And Gerard has not corrected you on this. And that's what needs to be done. Your mom should be telling you that is not normal. That is inappropriate. I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, so that kind of got to me a little bit, Liv. I'm like, you were doing so good, selling all out of your little butterflies. I mean, you know, you were just doing good. And then you throw this in, okay? So, the other day I was in your live, and one of the things that really, really stuck out at me was you claim to be this woman, you get what I'm saying, that if she need to get toe-to-toe with you, head-to-head, nose-to-nose, they can get it. You also said that if you were a reactor, that you would have the reactors that are reacting now put out of business. Now, Liv, how can you stand up here and say that, you know, you can go toe-to-toe with a person, they better not try you or whatever, but better yet, you said that you left school because of the people bullying you, okay? So that's where it comes in to me, like it says, no, you wouldn't do that because you literally left school because of the fact you were being bullied. So you mean to tell me now that you're over the age of, well, you just turned 30, that now you ready to square up and go toe to toe? girl, if you don't go sit down, and if you are moving to Texas, before you get there, all of the people that you know you disrespected and took them, said really throws at them, and real bad jabs at them, I'm gonna tell you, you might want to call them before you get there. Because I mean, I don't want to see, you know what I'm saying, turn on YouTube, turn on TikTok, turn on Instagram, you get what I'm saying, and somebody to beat the bricks off of you. I mean, I don't want to see that. Not at all. Now, also, you said that you would put the reactors out of business. That's a little confusing for me too, Liv. I also watched a little video that you posted about scams that basically you knew nothing about. So, Liv, I don't know in your state if they don't put the commercials up, that the commercials come on and they tell you not to give out your social security number, or it will be a fraud, or what else. So, you mean to tell me that you literally gave the guy the last 4 digits of your social security number, and you think that if you were a reactor, you would sit some of the other reactors down? Oh, okay. So you go on and say that, they called you up. They was like, hello, can I please speak with Olivia? Olivia, yes, this is the U.S. Marshals, code 0074, account 0089, order number 772. We were calling in reference, we just needed to know what 2 banks you bank with, and the last 4 digits of your social. And then here you go. Oh, they are 7875. Really? Really? Then you decide to go ahead and get on camera to make a video stating don't get scammed. I feel like you are the only one that does not know that. I feel like every person in this platform knows not to give your social security number out to anyone. Not the 4 digits, not all of the entire number. You do not do that. You also do not give out your bank information. Where's banks you use? You just don't. So we don't really need, the heads up. You're the one who really needs the heads up. Because like I said, I don't know nobody that would have got that type of call and would have actually sat there. That's the other crazy thing. Would have actually sat there and listened to this moron that is all the way, like you said, he was Indian, and he probably was all the way in India. You get what I'm saying? And he had an area code of Florida. I would have knew right away when they would have asked me my bank information. Oh, that's a no-no. When they would have, when they would have said the U.S. Marshal, click, hang it up. So that right there, I'm like, Liv, you just say that you was this smart person and you running around here giving your social security number out. Where do they do that at? That's like the dumbest move I ever seen. I don't know nobody. Can I have your social security number? Sure. And you was doing so good, Liv. I was giving you your props. I mean, people were even starting to come in my comments and be like, oh, you like Liv more than the other mommies. And I'm like, oh, no, Liv is just doing good. And if she's doing good, I am going to go ahead and give her credit for what she's doing. Oh, and before I get off of here, oh, no, I'm not done. So, you made a video. Yeah, I almost forgot. You made a video about you getting ready to be exposed. Olivia, if you don't take that video down, and go sit down somewhere. Seriously. When I seen that video, I'm like, okay, so who's getting ready to expose her? So this is your story, and I guess you are sticking to it. Okay. You said, I think it was on Friday, the guy from Houston. You said that the sister decided to come in your chat and say that she was getting ready to expose you. Now, on the other hand, you say, well, y'all were in Houston, that you did not have sex with him, that he basically wanted you and wanted something that he could not have. So now he is doing this out of spite. So we're going to touch that. But first, we're going to touch is that the guy who came over to the hotel where Ming said that you were in the back with him in the room or whatever for a little while? I wonder if that's someone else or if that was Reese. So the thing that got me is you said nothing happened. Okay? You said nothing happened whatsoever. You were basically just talking to someone, just to be doing it. You came home and took a pregnancy test, I guess for no reason. Because you're saying that you and Maurice never did anything. Bullshit. So next, you say that he took you to go meet his family. Now, Liv, I don't know too many guys that are going to take you right off the bat to go meet his family unless there is something being created underneath. Okay. The other thing that I would like to mention is that if you said there was nothing that went on, it was nothing. Why is it that you are coming on camera saying I am about to be exposed? Because it seems what you should be saying is, Maurice, go sit down. Expose whatever you want to expose because nothing happened between me and you. So that leads me to believe that this is a whole crock of bullshit. I mean, it is. I don't know if you know what I mean. Like they say, you are doing this for views. But what I will say is that I agree with that. I really, really agree with that. I am thinking, what actually is someone going to expose when you went to Houston? What? You have already did everything. You get me? Y'all did cocaine. Y'all was smoking weed. Y'all was drinking. Y'all was popping Plan B pills like they were Tic Tacs. Okay? So I don't know too many other drugs that you could have been taking, and maybe he's about to say something about that, or maybe he has proof that you guys have sex. I mean, I don't know. But what I do know is that it's making no sense. It's sounding like you are trying to conjure up another Bam Marcus situation. That's what I feel. So what I'm going to tell you is, Liv, knock it off. Knock it completely off. Go ahead and take that video down on live or whatever. Most likely, if it's alive, you definitely took it down because, I mean, that's just what y'all do. But before I get off here, let me tell you something. Jazzy, don't you dare. Jasmine, you have been doing amazing with your kids, with your house. I mean, taking your medications. You have been doing amazing. You have been busting out these hauls better than your two friends. I mean, you have been busting them out, and I gotta say, you have been looking really, really, really cute. Okay, so don't you dare, don't do it. Do not come up here with no expose. I mean, none of that. Okay, you just go ahead. You keep calm. You keep the house clean. You keep cooking those meals. You keep taking your medications. And you know what, Jazzy? You're going to go right head on up to the top, girl. That's what's going to happen. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get off of here. let me say thank you to my old subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, guys, see you later.